most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love.
Hello and welcome back to my home. I am so excited to be sharing a new messy to minimal episode. We're doing an almost whole house clean, so there's going to be lots of cleaning and homemaking motivation today, as well as we are decluttering in my office. So stay tuned for that a little bit later on in the video. I am just going to start off with watering some of my plant babies, and then we will mosey on through the whole house and get some cleaning done. I hope you can get inspired today, get up and motivated to clean along with me, or just sit back and relax and enjoy the video.
Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry.
Welcome to the side of YouTube where the sunshine is part of the decor. So we are opening up those windows so we can get inspired to clean the house. Honestly, I find opening the windows is a huge motivator for myself personally, and my ripple effect chore, if you haven't been around here for a while or you are new, that ripple effect chore for me that I talk about very often is actually making my bed. And so we are starting off with that, as today I wasn't feeling very motivated. And then here we go. You'll see one thing led to another. Next thing you know, I'm cleaning the entire house. So let me know down below what your ripple effect chore is, the chore that kind of leads you from one task to the next and just kind of gets you inspired to keep going and cleaning throughout the rest of your home.
You start to get dressed and then we cry. 'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it up, we had its time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine.
I have been searching for a print for our master bedroom, I feel like for months now, and I still haven't found one that I absolutely love, so I still have yet to buy frames as well. But I still have been hunting, so if you know of any beautiful like artwork or digital prints that you can find on like Etsy or something that go well in a master bedroom, can you please let me know? Like, help a girl out, man. I'm struggling when it comes to finding one. So I wanted to clear some of the space on the walls in our master bedroom and hoping that it would kind of clear some of that visual clutter. So that's what I was doing back there in the room. Now I was just giving you some laundry motivation and tackling a couple loads here before moving on to decluttering the office. My office is totally trash, but the main goal was to get this empty, and y'all, every single drawer is finally empty. What? So nice. So while these bins were amazing to me over the last few years, like almost 10 years, which is wild, it is now time to get rid of them and give them to somebody who is actually going to use them. This is also a donation pile, by the way. This is all being donated. And this stuff, I still need to figure out what I'm doing with it. And we are also going to go through this one now. I think this one I'm gonna keep. Maybe I'll like paint it or something so that it's not blue. As you can see, my office used to be like that kind of Tiffany blue color, which I loved at one point. And here's my desk. Just a reminder that it gets worse before it gets better. Okay. Okay, and then in this little bin here, I actually moved all of like our tissue papers, the tulle, gift bags, like all of the wrapping stuff is in here, which is amazing that it was like spread out. I don't know, some of it was under there, some of it was in one of those, another one was in like a one up there, and actually over there too. So like it's just wild. It feels really good to have it all in one spot.
Intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you, oh, but I can't get.
Okay, I'm gonna have to pick this up another day. I need to actually get supper going. I'm making some chicken skewers and they are so good, but they need to marinate and it's like 4 o'clock, so I gotta get that going. And like I said, we will finish decluttering in here another day and I will give you an update on that day with what's kind of happening. I just wanted to share these crackers if you were looking for a gluten-free option. These Mary's Organic crackers, they were recently on sale at Costco for $6.99 for the box and it comes with like 2 bags. They are so freaking good. If you have soft teeth, I would not recommend them though. They are very crunchy and hard. These are my other go-to. I love these ones. I don't think anything beats them, but they are like quite expensive. And so this would be a cheaper, less expensive option. Also, for lunch, warming up some pizza with the gluten-free crust. I will link this pizza crust recipe down below. It is so good.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive.
All right, my friend, I know you came here to get inspired and motivated, so let's get up, throw a load of laundry in, get some laundry folded. I know there's a basket hanging around there somewhere. Get the dishes done, whatever it is, but get up and clean along with me.
Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark, you're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. Stop looking at ya, you're like a firefly. Guide me out of the woods now. Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark, you're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing.
I hope that you enjoyed that little music break. Sometimes I find I'm a little too chatty, but thought I would go ahead and play some inspiring and motivating music for you guys so that you could hopefully get up and clean along with me. Look at how dirty my mop head was. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe the amount of dirt. Why is it always so crazy how dirty our floors get when, like, they don't even look dirty, first of all, and second of all, like, I just mopped them a few days before this. Anyway, we are moving into the master bedroom, and then I'm also going to be doing a little bit of cleaning in the bathroom, so stay tuned. There is still lots of motivation to come, and if you haven't already, I would love if you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel as a small creator, and so I would greatly, greatly appreciate that.
I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left, I could feel it grow like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul and getting harder. It was never under my control. and my love for you. If you meet somebody else that's a rival, that much is true.
I will have to come back to minimizing and decluttering in my office in a future video, so make sure you are subscribed, and if you are still needing some more motivation, go ahead and watch this video here on the screen. I'm sure it's going to get you up and inspired and motivated to clean along with me. Thanks so much for spending some time with me and being here today. I hope you guys have a great week. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.